Hello guys, so we are at Tada right now.
Come here.
Yeah.
And turns out they've cancelled all fucking trains.
Yeah, this is the worst.
This is the worst thing that's happened.
Yeah,
And the next train is directly 5:30. Fuck their local system.
yeah, that's what. Me, Susan, and now we are going to bus station.
Guys,
Guys,
जब नसीबी गांडू तो क्या करेगा पांडू टाइप सिचुएशनशिप में हम आ चुके हैं
क्योंकि हमारा ट्रेन कैंसिल हो
बिकॉज
गया
ऑल
है।
ट्रेन्स गॉट कैंसल्ड
और मेरे बाल देखो।
और मेरे बाल मेरी हालत नहीं सोते मुझे हो रही है
और मेरे बाल अच्छे से बना। पीछे का। That's it. So guys, अभी हम ना बस में, yeah, and we are waiting for bus to take us to Chennai.
चेन्नई सेंट्रल
No, exactly center. So we'll have to take an auto or cab to
and then
Chennai.
we'll have to then take a auto or cab to
Yeah.
Chennai and
And देखो हमारी
मुझे
हालत।
लगा था कि इतने दिनों बाद मेरे को लोकल जाने मिलेगा बट I want to take the train. Like I love trains. I have unexplainable love for trains. इधर फुल आउटफिट मैल फंक्शन हो गया मेरा.
सेम चलो अभी हमारा चेहरा भी माल फंक्शन हो रहा है।
चलो see you all. Bye. Guys, we got the bus and it's AC bus. We got an AC bus and life is good. Yeah. So much better than the train.
Yeah. So
I thought it would be a normal bus and it was
See, guys.
we were like so close to get like booking a cab or cancelling the tickets for that matter.
पर see, if हम
God
ना,
has a plan.
yeah, if हम कैब बुक करते तो 2000 कुछ का
Now we
पड़ता,
saved
see.
so much fucking money.
And AC.
अच्छा हुआ मैं बस suggest की okay. Oh, you didn't even suggest the bus. The auntie said okay. No, I said it.
Guys, we are
Auntie बोली
having
नहीं
an
है. फिर मैं
agreement,
बोली
so
बस
I'm
में
out
तो
of
है.
it. Bye.
We'll keep that in mind. We're actually going like in the next month. I'm all red. They're making the itinerary.
My hair and my face is matching. Matching. Girls club. And it's an AC bus. वो ही उनको उतना privileged life में कभी feel नहीं हुआ है. Guys.
Guys, so apparently, we're seniors, so our juniors have given us a treat. Third one, lovely. We call it peri.
Perks of being a senior, guys. Perks. And उन लोगों
मुझे
ने
पर्क
ना,
खाने का मन हो रहा है.
मन
Shut
भी
up.
नहीं लिया. क्या खाने का मन है?
वो बोली perks of being a senior, तो मैं बोली मुझे पर्क खाने.
So guys, उन्होंने क्या बोला? कि nice choice. हम तो किसी का बुराई
We'll
नहीं
think
कर
about
सकते.
it.
नहीं, हम तो किसी का बुराई नहीं कर सकते.
हम तो बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं भाई. हम ऐसे ही नहीं सर.
मानना तो पड़ेगा, इंडिया इतना गंदा है. हाय. अच्छा.
Take the view.
वाव. आई थिंक वहाँ पे वाटर होगा, पानी. ओ लेक है, लेक. Let's go. So guys, अभी हमने बस चेंज किया है. We just changed our second bus. तो अभी हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? कोयम्बेडू जा रहे हैं. वहाँ से हम ऑटो लेंगे, नहीं तो बस लेंगे. देखते हैं कौन से ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट है. इसलिए तो हम सेकंड से लेते हैं. सेकंड बस. मेरी बाल
Shape the F.
तो गाइस, ये थर्ड बस है हमारा. तो यहाँ से सीधा फिनिक्स मॉल ले जाएगा बोल रहा है. इससे पहले वाली बस का 60 हुआ था ना. 60. हाँ 73 था. उसके बाद इससे पहले वाला जो थोड़ा महंगा था क्योंकि वो AC का था.
AC bus था, but 270 is too good like for 3 people, and we reached Chennai with that.
और ये भी AC
It's
है.
more than reasonable.
Reached Phoenix Mall at 5:42 p.m. in the evening, super tired after 3 modes of transportation. And guess our first stop? Yeah, that's a correct guess, the washroom. because we really needed to fix our faces, and of course there was a photo session as it's the most necessary thing after food.
Guys, we're finally here after changing 4 modes of transport.
Yeah.
We're here. Yay, let's go slay. And now we're going to get food because food is what we've come for. Should we go to that sweet spot?
Taco.
This is good. This is what I like. Taco is not bad. I'm not eating that.
Is it not good?
It's not all good. Can you tell them about this? It's too dry.
Guys, we're just done. Yeah.
Food was not good.
It was terrible. So guys, it's 11:18 and we're done with our movies. We're heading back. सब बंद हो चुका है, कोई सिर्फ खुला है.
बीच जाने का मन हो रहा है अभी.
Our movie ended at 11 and our friend who was hosting us came to pick us up. Then we went to the beach. After spending some time at the beach, we went to our friend's home, and honestly their family was the sweetest and the one who made me believe that dosa can be delicious. And the next day we again went to Phoenix Mall, and this time we went to do some shopping. And then we lost track of time while indulging in window shopping. Then there came the chaos, and honestly we ran like a crazy to catch our train, just like the movie Chennai Express, but it wasn't a movie for us.
मेरी हालत देखो, मैं पूरी देख
मेरा भी देख.
We literally ran for our 7:05 p.m. train, and then we made it. Like Chennai Express, genuinely. Guys, at the end of the trip, this is how you look.
Yeah, see.
And show them how.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how.